Right, good morning. How are you doing this morning? We're on the river today. This, what I'm going to call this part 2, because we're actually on the river Bure. I've been here about an hour, just under an hour, and I was in the middle with no success. And I thought I'd come into this little quiet patch over here. And 2 seconds ago, just before they got the camera out, we had a bite. First bite on a river. For me anyway, for quite a long, many years. Don't think it's particularly very big, but it was a catch and it would have been. Unfortunately, he came off. So I just put on a fresh smelt, which is what I had on a little while ago. The rig is the same as I had before, so there's no difference in that. I've just gone a little bit shallower, and it was just floating down there, and yeah, come off. Not very big. I was probably about a couple of pounds, but at the end of the day, a couple of pounds is a couple of pounds, and there's a fish on the bank. And that'll be my first pike this season. So I'm going to carry on. I think going very far either. So I don't know how well you can see. Stand back here a little bit. I've got a little gully just there. Here. That's coming out, and that was just in that mouth. Should have left a little bit longer. Right, that does seem to be that stretch of river up there. Seems to go up to pretty much a very still piece of water. The only current I've got is coming from this little valley here. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's coming out. It's going over. Like I said, it's dispersing around that way. And the current's going down. That don't seem to be very much, because when you get into the current, it brings you to the middle, and it seems to come to pretty much of a stop. Despite my effort to try and get it down to that corner. So what I decided to do, I decided to come, I'm just going to fish just this side. Where it comes out, that's what comes out, and you get a little swirl. And I think if there's any pike, which obviously there was a little while ago, just lurking in that little spot, just ready for the little fish to come past. Because I literally just put it in, and it was about within 2 minutes he was on. Well, like I say, it wasn't very big. It's probably about a couple of pounds, but still, a fish is a fish at the day, and at the minute everything counts. So that's just a quick update to keep you informed. So I want to probably just work this little area here for a little while. Get back there as well. And go from that. Right, I'll plod on with doing it, and you can have a good old scoop out there. Well, I never knew that could happen. I know there's a 3 mile an hour speed limit there, and there's a sluice up there which you can't get through anyway because that's all shut down. But I didn't know boats can come down there. I didn't think that would be viable. I think I took a wrong turn somewhere, but there you go. Well, nothing's happened so far. I'm going to go past them swans just up on the left hand side there, and I'm going to go try a little further up. I'm going to leave you here so it's less for me to carry around. Just going to have a little bash around here, and if nothing more happens after that first incident this morning, we'll I'll probably pack some stuff away and just take the bare essentials and go the other side. Come to 11 o'clock, which will probably give it till dinner time. basically see what happens after that. I don't know what else to do. That was like within 2 minutes of a bite. And if they're going to do that, then they're actively in it and they're hungry. So yeah, I'll do that. I'll go up there and have a little play around. Speak to you in a bit. Right, well that seems like a no-go. Nothing's happened, not even following nothing. I think that one opportunity this morning was the only one I'm going to get. Then it comes to play, that's just gone after 11. I think I'll give it another hour in here. Either call it a day or I might go somewhere else. Right, well good morning. We're on the river again. Doing a bit of lure fishing today. Just got a couple of little lures I want to be trying out. And let's sort of give it a bit of a bash. So so let's give this one. It's a bit tip heavy, so I'm hoping I'll sort of do the diving. So we'll try that one. It's one of the new ones. It's quite an expensive one, so I won't be losing it. Let's give it a whirl. That one would be better for the rivers, a bit of a flow river, because when it goes in, it tends to slowly sink down. You can pull it up, so you can use that to the river to your advantage. In here, this one is quite slow, so we'll try this one, and it's got a bit of a movement on that one. This is just a quick one. We are fishing today on the River Bure. Before I carry on, I'm just going to have a worm run. I'm not going to do too much film down there today. I just want to wish you all a very happy Christmas and have a very, very good New Year. And hopefully Santa Claus will bring all the good things you want. And don't forget, because if you drink too much, you won't be able to fish the next day. Unlike me. Right, so on that note, thank you very much for all these subscribers I've had this year, and new and the ones that have been and gone. And I appreciate it all. So yeah, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Obviously it's free, just keep the channel growing, and all good. So have a good Christmas, have a good New Year, and we'll see you probably after Christmas and into the new year. So thank you very much, and happy Christmas. Caught a fish. Not the intended species, but we got ourselves a little brown trout. How about that? Crack on my trusty little bleak lure right in the middle there. Probably about a pound and a half maybe. Let's get him back. Bang on, happy Christmas. Right, so see you another one out then.